Hey YouTube! To my returning subscribers, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe because I guarantee you'll be back. I'm so excited because in today's video, I'll be unboxing a faux plant I ordered and it just came in today. Not everybody is a fan of faux plants, but I am because I love green and it's a lot already maintaining the lives we have in this house, so adding a plant to it that's alive will probably push me over the edge. While I'm breaking down this box, let me let you guys know where I got this from. I got this from QVC. A good friend of mine sent me a link because they have a lot of sales going on with their faux plants very often, and I will link it down in the description box below. Also, I did find it on Amazon, so you can definitely go on Amazon and find this if you want to purchase it there as well. Shipping was very quick. I ordered it on January 11th and I got it on January 15th, so that was a major plus. So this is a 4-foot tall fiddle leaf tree and a starter pot. The deal was so good that I had to get two. My total was $52 with $11 shipping, and I used a promotional code, which was the word offer, for $15 off. And then I used their easy pay option, which allows me to pay in monthly increments. Look at the details. Even the dirt looks really good. Now it's time for me to fluff the leaves out. This is by far the easiest faux plant I've ever worked with. I didn't have to iron any wrinkles out and the leaves bent effortlessly and stayed put. And this is the result of the leaves being fluffed out. I really admire the work they put into making this plant. It even has little bulbs on there that give it a realistic feel as if your fiddle leaf tree is growing. I was having a hard time deciding where I would put the plant, but I believe this would be a perfect spot. I decided to put it right beside our couch near our lamp and artwork because I figured that area just needed a little bit of green to spruce it up, and I couldn't be more happier with the result. If you're wondering and can't tell by now, I definitely recommend purchasing this plant. I believe that this is a staple that every home should have. Even though it's not a living plant, I can look past that and just appreciate the greenery. And it makes your living space feel so much more alive. And nobody has to know it's not a real plant. So please grab this must-have and let me know how it goes. Thank you so much for watching.